that comes with agriculture. It is the land that comes with property ownership. You can't have universities if you do not have the land. That's why we are still enjoying the legacy of Bantustan in the form of this university. This was a favor from the previous regime. There is no new university by the government of the ANC 20 years into democracy. They must never lie. This is a product of apartheid. There is no new university. They said they are building a university in Mpumalanga and the Northern Cape. The first intake of that university is 200 students. That is not a university, it's a super high school. They are playing. Even apartheid universities did not start with 200 people. They started with thousands and thousands of people. So they will never build a proper university because they do not have the land. They do not own the wealth. They do not have the money. They do not own the means of production. That's why apartheid could afford to mess around, because they were in charge of the means of production. They knew where to get an extra money. Haribuaga nationalization bar retlo tshwana le Zimbabwe. Mara ba le butse nnete hore apartheid government used to own Sasol. Sasol was a state-owned, and South Africa was not Zimbabwe. They owned metal steel. They owned metal steel. South Africa was not Zimbabwe. They always owned